finance fun.
The Great Lemonade Stand Challenge. Today is the big day. Jason and Julia are about to have the Great Lemonade Stand Challenge. But who will sell the most lemonade and win the mystery prize?
I'm going to make the sweetest lemonade in town.
And I'm going to make the most delicious lemonade ever.
The rules are simple. 1. Each gets the same ingredients. 2. They have just 1 hour to sell as much lemonade as they can. 3. The winner gets the Golden Pitcher Trophy and a big surprise.
Oh, whoa, I'm gonna do this. I'm super excited.
Julia, let's see who is going to win this competition.
All right, kids, let the challenge begin. While the clock ticked down, Jason and Julia got to work on their stands, each with a very different style.
All right, lemons lined up, cups stacked neatly, water just right. People will come for the taste, not the decorations.
Balloons, check. Colorful bunting, check. And the sign, perfect. Julia's Magical Lemonade, 3 coins. Bright summer day, family-friendly style. Oh, see Jason's stand. It's simple, clean, and all about the lemonade itself. Simplicity. Julia's stand looks like a party, bursting with color and cookies. Lovely.
All right, lemons lined up, cups stacked neatly, water just right. People will come for the taste, not the decorations.
A crowd gathers around their stand, everyone smiling and enjoying lemonade. Group of kids and parents around Julia's lemonade stand. Bright balloons, cups of lemonade, laughter. Jason notices Julia giving away extra cookies with her lemonade. Jason got only a few customers. Then he remembered what Grandpa usually says. A smile is worth more than a sale. Finally, after lots of fun and excitement, the neighbor announces Jason and Julia as the winners of the challenge. Neighbor holding a trophy. Jason and Julia looking surprised and excited. Colorful confetti in the air. Sound. The crowd cheering. Trumpet fanfare. Joyful music swell. And guess what? That's how Jason and Julia discovered the secret of making money. Make something people love, treat them well, and they'll keep coming back. Kids, what would you sell if you had your own stand? Tell your parents and try it at home. And don't forget to subscribe for more magical money adventures. All right, Kiddies Finance Squad, keep learning with fun.